Hello my venomous viewers, today I am on Hypixel today. Today I'm doing solo. You know, I don't need Jake with me today. I want to do some solo just to show off my awesome PvP skills, epicness. Yeah, I'm so good. No, I'm actually not. Well, I'm training. So, also, I'm thinking about getting, what was it? MVP soon, so you know it would be good for us. Yeah. Oh, disco kit. Oh, I like this. Also Jake might be getting it. Disco kit. Oh, it's this one. Yay, I love this. This is such a good song. This should be on you know, top charts. Okay, I regret saying that now. So weird. So weird. Gosh, it's so creepy. Oh, I'm so creepy. Oh well, you know, actually, no, this guy hates my music. It's so fab. No, stop shooting me, you big buffoon. Baboon. You're scary. Okay, I'm never listening to that music again, because that's just disgusting. Come on then. What are you? Sonny. Come on, Sonny, I'm your friend, aren't I? Oh, that guy just died. Come on, Sonny, I'm your friend. Yay, let's be friends, Sonny. Yeah, come on. Come on. I'll back up. Just jump! Oh, for... I'm so good! Why? Just 1 second. Why? I'm gonna be grenade kit. I just fell off the... I'm like... Go, go! Oh, I didn't do that, did I? Oh. Wow. I'm happy. Oh no, guy, please don't do this. You have so much to live for. You don't really want to do that, do you? Nah, mate. Has he got... How did he get full diamond armor? How did this guy get full diamond? Okay, alright, I'm going to the next one. You know, I'm going to go disco. Look how many kits I've got. Also, I'm kind of excited to get MVP soon, maybe. Also, I'm getting my new computer, so then I can do more videos, because I'm using this on my Mac Pro. It costs like £2,000, but, like, I might get another one, so from my mum, you know, at my mum's, because I use it at my dad's. Okay, so I got full diamond armor. Okay, I hate that. This guy, is he crossing? You better not be crossing, mate, because I'm holding shift. So this guy wasn't crossing, but go on, do you think you... I think this guy is properly like... Oh! What kind of... Oh, he needs some milk, he does. I'm gonna get some snowballs. Quite good, quite fashionable. Some good old... Oh. This guy takes no... This guy! Why did he take no knockback? my gosh. Repeat. Hacks. Cool Pete. Report him. Report them. Oh, I'm not gonna be bothered to report them, but oh, he is definitely cheating there. Should I go for I'm gonna go for grenade. I do like my grenade kit. I do love it. I love it to bits. Okay, this guy. Is that Cool Pete? If it's Cool Pete, wait. Is Cool Pete even in the game? No. No, he's not. It's Cactus Boy. Hey, Cactus Boy. Wanna play? Ooh! What happened there? Oh my gosh, I'm wasting so much time and I haven't like even actually won a game or even got to mid. Because I'm kind of like one of those camper guys. Okay, got a lot of wood. Got some bright armor. But, oh, snowballs. Do you like that? Did I get, oh, that's sad. Oh well. Oh, this guy. What on earth? Oh, he's a good, he saved himself there. He's alright. Okay, I'm gonna get a diamond chest plate and... Okay, I got to at least get a kill. Oh, unlucky. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, that didn't miss. Okay. I'm gonna go to mid. Is there anyone I got? Oh, you little so-and-so. You dare not... Right. Okay. Didn't know I could not pile up there. Okay, but I'm going to throw him snowballs. Missed. Oh, no. I'm not crossing yet. This guy looks like he knows how to PvP. Got speed too. Can I jump? My space button isn't working at all. Why is it not working? Look, I can't. Look. It worked that time. Oh. I am not in the mood today to mess around. I am here to win Skywars. Hopefully. Oh, I wanted to do disco kit that time, but I chose grenade kit. Oh, a bow, you say? Cool. Okay, what did I get in that one? Oh, a better sword. Ooh. I'm going to use that pickaxe because I know I might be able to trap somewhere. Ooh. Is this guy... Okay, so... I'm going to cross to this guy. What on earth is... What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? What is that? What type of thing is that? Is it me? Is it just me with my bad PvP skills, or is he hacking? I'm not too sure. That was a bit sketchy there. Or I was like over panicking. He had like iron and I had like diamond. Let's see him. He might be good at PvP, so I'm gonna watch him go to this island just to see if he is. He's probably gonna die, I bet you. Go on then. Go PvP him. Go. Yeah, I knew it. I absolutely knew it. He would do something stupid like that. So I can't tell if he's hacking or not. I'm going to go disco kit today. Now. Oh, well. Okay, I'm going to plop down. Is this... Oh. Yeah. Got some DJ music there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, music for life. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was in California. One day I saw a hippo. Yeah. It was good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Keep it going. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Keep that beat going. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Like that, yeah. Oh, yeah. Keep it going, yeah. Oh. Yo. Yeah. Swag. You know, I actually don't like this music, so I'm gonna... No. Thank you. I'm gonna play it. No, go away! Yeah, go let that guy get you into the real void. I'm gonna constantly like him. Go on, is that gonna actually... Mate, are you gonna actually do... Okay, right. Okay, he's under there. But I know what he's doing, so... this guy looks quite stacked and he has a blaze, so... Oh, he has fire resistance. You know, that's a bad mistake, guy. Because you're going to run out of that fire res soon. Hopefully. Oh, okay, I got him. Nearly all his stuff went in the thing, yeah. Flint and steel. Oh, he had like a fire kit or something. Oh, very snazzy. This guy looks like he's AFK, so... Well, I just wasted my... Oh well, is there... Don't you dare, Blaze! No. Gosh, I nearly set myself on fire. No! No fire! No fire, Blaze. Naughty Blaze. Die, Blaze. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's super effective with that won't do anything, I bet you. Oh, this guy's... Please don't. Please say there's like a... Oh, I'm not even going to be bothered getting the thing, so... Have any fire res? No. Okay. Well, I'm probably gonna burn to death. Please don't burn to death. Please, I'm hoping. Please. Okay. I didn't burn to death. That's a good sign of survival. Yeah. I'm definitely not gonna win today. But I'm not even... Well, no, please, guy. He's probably not... He probably doesn't like me because of my... Yes! So just... Okay, I must be hallucinating. Ooh, that's good. Oh, got some of the stuff as well. No, an ad just came up. Ugh. I've got some. I got literally not. I've only got like a. Oh, please say. Where is he? Where is he? Can I shoot him there? Oh no, he's lagging. He's absolutely lagging. At least I got some bow shots on him. At least. Okay, maybe. Oh, he is probably regen, so I don't really want to face him. Because. Please go away. Yes. Okay. This is going alright. Another ender pearl. This time I got a better sword. Finally. Another. Ooh. Wait, was that a jackhammer? Please say that was a jackhammer. Oh. Go on then. Go on then. Come. Go on then. Are you afraid or something? Go on then, mate. Go on then, mate. Go on then. Oh! Oh! I didn't win. I didn't win. But that was a good try, guys. That was actually really intense. If I was in a really intense moment, like I could have won with that jackhammer, but he had like ender pearl, so I bet he like teleported on the top. So yeah. Oh, I'm so confused now. Doesn't feel like a real game. Okay. Okay, I got some. Okay, right. Got some right stuff. Some decent stuff. I wanted a bow though. But I might cross if no one else is crossing. Does anyone have a pickaxe? Yes, sir. Yes. That's good, sir. Okay. Right, please say no one's going. Oh, yeah, they are. Oh. Oh! No, please. Okay. Okay, whoever wins gets knocked up with snowballs. Well, that took ages. Oh no, don't go after me, mate. Please. I'm scared. Please don't kill me. Please, I beg you. No. I'm gonna build a base. So he doesn't like kill me. Yeah, build a base. Yeah, that's good. That won't work. He knows what's gonna happen, doesn't he? I have not a bow, mate. Oh, hi. Jackhammered. Oh, he's getting. Oh, right. Come on. I'm voting for equality. Oh, look at that. GG. Oh, well done, guy. Well, oh, I got into another game, but okay. So, I'm gonna go disco kit. No! Oh, not that bad music. Look me in the eye, and tell me it's okay. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh well. Music has died already now. Music is unpopular. Poploplier. Oh, please, Guy! No! You picked with the wrong person. Oh! Yes, I want that. Drake Bark. I'm gonna go cross over here because I know he had some goodies. So I kind of want. Okay, not. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna kill myself then. Okay. He had alright stuff. I'm not. It's not too shabby. I'm okay. What else did he? Ooh. Did he have? Ooh. Did he have? Ooh. Ooh. Matey, we're in for some surprise, aren't we, matey? Would you like some XP? Yeah? Some presents. There goes your Christmas present. Okay, I'm going to put down an anvil, and I'm going to... actually, I'm going to enchant my... Mistakes. Oh! I want to cross over here, because I know he's gone like... So, if I go... I have no arrows. You joking me? Where did all my arrows go? Oh yeah, shooting that guy off. Oh, get away, you bottom. Go away, I'm not happy with you. Yeah, I could have like MLG wrecked you. No, not really. I have no arrows and I want to shoot this guy because I got no projectiles. Do I have any? No. Just go! Just go! Go! Enjoy your life. Go! Enjoy your life. I have no projectiles. I don't. Look. I have a bow. But like, I can't use it, okay? So you can cross. Look. Right, do you want to make things alright, okay? Poor guy. No, go away, you... I don't have projectiles. I don't have any projectiles. Yes! GG OMG.
Oh, yeah. I won.
Well, GG to that person. I think it's time to crack open some souls. So I'm gonna go by that. So we can see if we can get some more souls. Do not twerk on my souls! Okay, good. Okay, can I please? Thank you. I'm gonna roll. Please say I don't get a bad, like... If I get, like, just perks, I'm not gonna be... Subscribe, like, comment down below if you hated this video because of the bad stuff I got, because I got perks. Perks. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.